and granite changes to gneiss due to heat and pressure. Soil. Soil is the loose material that covers most of the land on the earth's surface. It is made up of particles of rocks and minerals, dead plant and animal matter, tiny living organisms, gases and water. Soil is very important for life on earth because it provides water and minerals for the plants to grow. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the gradual breaking down of surface rocks and minerals into smaller pieces by the action of water, wind, and ice. Burrowing animals and roots growing into the ground also break the rocks. Besides, when plants and animals die, their bodies gradually decay due to the action of tiny living things called bacteria and fungi that are present in the soil. This organic matter present in the soil is called humus. Humus is what makes the soil rich and fertile. Soil also contains spaces filled with water and gases. Plants absorb water and gases through their roots. Layers of soil. To understand the layers of soil, let us look at the bottle of soil and water that we mixed earlier. Now, observe that there are different layers of soil in the bottle. At the bottom are small stones called gravel. Above the gravel is a layer of large particles of sand. Above the sand is a layer of very fine particles. This layer is of clay. Floating on the top are some dark brown pieces of humus. Soil is made up of three layers: topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Topsoil. This is the topmost layer of the soil. It contains a lot of humus and is home to several tiny creatures or organisms. Humus makes the soil more fertile and also makes it look darker in color. Subsoil. This is the layer below the topsoil. It is made up of humus, rocks, and minerals. There are cracks and pores in the subsoil which help water to drain away, preventing the soil from getting too wet. It has three sublayers. The first layer of this subsoil is made up of sand and silt. It has pebbles and gravel in it. The second layer has clay and some mineral deposits. The root of various trees grown down in this layer of soil. The third layer is of broken rocks. Plant roots do not go through this layer. Bedrock. This is the lowest layer. This layer has rocks which make it a hard layer and water cannot pass through it. Importance of soil. Soil is important for all living beings. Plants grow and get nourishment from the soil. Animals and human beings depend upon plants for their food. Soil has many minerals in it. Useful minerals like coal and petroleum are found in soil. Metals like gold, iron, silver, and aluminium are also found in soil. Soil erosion. When the topsoil becomes loose, it is carried away by wind and water. This process is known as erosion. Soil erosion is caused naturally by wind and water. However, it is increased by human activities such as deforestation, mining, and construction. Deforestation. The process of cutting down trees is known as deforestation. Man needs wood for building houses and to make furniture. For this, he cut trees. Human beings also cut forests for making dams, mining, and expanding cities. All these causes deforestation. Trees and plants hold the topsoil together with the help of their roots. Due to deforestation, the topsoil becomes loose and the soil is then easily blown away by the wind or running water. Landslides. Landslide is the sudden coming down of loose rocks and pebbles from mountains. Landslides occur as a result of loosening of soil in areas that do not have good vegetation or tree cover. To prevent landslides, more and more trees should be planted on the slopes of the mountain. Soil conservation. Soil is an important resource for all living organisms such as plants, animals, and human beings. That is why we must save and conserve it. Soil can be conserved in various ways.